My twin, an egg. Oh. Oh! Oh, hold on. That wasn't YouTube trendy. What the heck? Hey guys, what is poppin'? Today, we are baking on the cooking show with Mari. That was so bad. I can't even with myself. Anyway, excuse that. We don't know her. Just pretend it didn't happen. Pretend you didn't even see it. So today, it is time to bake the biscuits. My Casey Undercover Disney lovers, y'all know what I'm talking about. Time to bake the biscuits. If you don't know, it's a reference. I guess you're just not part of the squad. Sorry. Kind of, you know. Anyway, that was a joke. I'm kidding. We are baking cake. I know, boring. Too bad. We're baking cake. So, I'm going to be baking from scratch. You know, I got the flour, I got all the other ingredients you need to make cake from scratch, I guess. Just kidding, psych, got you there. We're cooking with cake mix from the box. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I cooking with sugar-free cake? It's because I'm such a skinny legend, you know? Actually, no, y'all know that's a lie. I basically live and breathe Nutella every single time of the day.
Nutella?
For breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, midnight snack, movie hour, nap hour, all the other hours and seconds of the day. Anyway, besides the point, the only reason why I'm baking with sugar-free cake is because genes are not on my side. Diabetes runs in the family. Thanks, Grandma. I'm stuck. Anyway, we're baking sugar-free cake! Woohoo! Now, before I embarrass myself even more, this video is going to be very obnoxious if you can't tell already, but it's okay because, I mean, I don't really have a valid reason why, but we're baking! Woo! Okay, let's get into the video now. Like, really, we should probably cut, like, now.
So, 1 cup water.
Okay.
We got lots of oil. Look at that.
Just kidding, we need some fresh oil, I guess.
1/3 cup oil? What the heck, this is too much math for me. I thought baking was supposed to be fun. Okay, anyway, 1/3 cup oil. I have my cup right here. Ready to go. Got it! I use the power of estimation because who needs math and baking, right? We got a foil tray because I'm too lazy to wash a baking cooking pan thing. 3 eggs. Not green eggs and ham, just 3 eggs. Dress it delicious. Nutella. Look at that. Heavenly, right? Oh wait, there's no Nutella in the recipe. And I can't even put it on top. Oh no!
Approximately 10 hours later.
And I guess, like, we need the cake mix. I guess. Now we have all of our ingredients. Except the Nutella. The Nutella has to go. Rest in peace. I love you. You are cherished. Gotta go. Penguin whisk, of course. How could we possibly bake without our lovely penguin? Like, how is that even possible? The cake would just taste like absolutely nothing. Literally nothing. The penguin gives a taste. So you need your penguin whisk.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Step 1. We preheat. Oh wait, is that how you preheat? Preheat the oven. Okay guys, not gonna lie, my oven kind of smells weird. Am I doing this wrong? Why does it smell like this? This is why you can't bake when your parents aren't home. So, we're going to start off with the cake mix. Oh shoot, my AC is really loud. Oh man. Okay, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by my AC, we got our cake mix ready to go. So that's going to be our first ingredient. Got our scissors. Please be safe, kids. Do not try at home if you're younger than 18. I'm 17, but it's okay, you know. We love bending the rules here and there. So, here's the cake mix. It's white. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be yellow because it's vanilla, but it's okay. We'll deal with it, I guess. Even though I hate white cake and I only like vanilla cake, but, you know. Guess people just don't get it these days. So, here is my tray. Right here. Oh, wait. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to put Pam spray inside first. Or, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to make the cake mix in another bowl. Like I said though, I don't want to do the dishes. So, we're gonna put Pam spray and then put it and just mix it inside with the Pam spray, I guess.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Pam spray, ready to go. All around.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All ready. Cake mix. Let's go. Come on. Oh, that smells good. I like it. Water. 1/3 cup of perfectly perfect calculated oil. My twin, an egg. Oh. Oh! Oh, hold on. That wasn't YouTube trendy. What the heck? Okay, let's try this again. Oh no. Ooh. The last of my family. You will be missed. Sorry, we gotta go. Tiny whisk with my penguin whisk. The only tool you could possibly use to make a perfect baking cake. We're making new words here. Oh, mix and mix and mix and mix. Kind of looks like soup, like corn soup. I don't really enjoy the look of that. Oh, it's turning yellow! It kind of looks like vanilla golden cake now. And not white cake. This is great. I was scared I was eating paper, you know? Okay. Let's focus on mixing now. Okay, well, it feels like 20 hours later and we're still mixing. Guys, this is a real workout for me, you know? It's like the biggest workout I've ever done. Good thing I didn't work out today. Oh. Okay, back to mixing and working. Swirly swirly! You guys are going to die at this. I literally just mixed it and I went to go take it out and it literally fell all over my kitchen floor. Mom, please don't watch this. All ready to go in the oven? Let's lower the stove a bit so I can actually put it in without burning myself. Oh, it's really hot in here. I don't really see any fire, but it's really hot in here. I'm filming with one hand and baking with one hand. That's talent, guys. That's some real good talent. Ready to go. I'll see you when it's all done. Is it done yet? I can't really tell. Do you guys think it's done yet? You know, I'll be right back. So I know people do these things, like, you know, those professional cooking people, you know. I can relate because I'm friends with them, you know, how else would I be baking? So they do these things where they take toothpicks and they stick it inside of a cake to see if it's done yet. So I just put it in the oven, but you know, I feel like a couple seconds is long enough for it to be baked. So let's try not burning myself. Put it inside. What do you guys think? You guys think it's baked yet? I don't really know, you know. Maybe it should stay a little longer, you know. I kind of like the more burnt effect. Not even focusing. Hello. They want to see what's on the toothpick. Hello. Thank you. That's my toothpick. Is it done yet? Oh my god, not gonna lie, it looks literally the same and it's literally only at the same place and it's been 1 whole minute. Let's check the recipe. How long does this take? I did the recipe right. It should be baking. How long? Hold on, let me find it. 34 to 38 minutes? Oh shoot, that's like a full hour. Well, I'm gonna be here for a while. So I just looked at the banana caramel cake thing written over here on the box and I could have sworn we were making vanilla cake. I didn't know we were making banana caramel cake. I don't want bananas. That's too healthy. What the heck? Maybe that's why it was white. What the heck? I'm so confused. Oh no, classic yellow. Okay, we're good. What the heck? They're confusing us. Why would you put banana caramel cake on the back of a classic yellow box? Pillsbury, we need to talk. Is it done yet? Look at that. I don't think it's done yet. Cake is served. Look at that. I didn't even need a toothpick to check if it was ready. All the bakers are quaking. The baker gurus, all of them, yeah, you guys, you're quaking. Bet you couldn't bake a cake without checking with a toothpick. This is why I'm really talented. Guys, the cake looks so good right now. It's so fluffy. Oh, that was hot. Hot. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Also, like I said, if you are younger than 18 years old, please do not follow this tutorial. Please. Thank you. Time to cut, guys. Time to cut the cake and make our perfect slices because we're bakers like that. Like I said, I don't do math, so I'm not going to proportion it out. I'm just going to estimate. Power of estimation is the best power. So, let's get started with our straight cut perfect pieces. Look at that. Perfect slice. Isn't that satisfying? Let's do that again. Oh, so dreamy. Should I make another piece over here? No, that's too small. We don't do small pieces. We do large pieces. So I think I'm gonna make these into thirds. Like I said, we like the large pieces. Oh, look at that. And the final cut before the finale. Look at that. Perfect cut pieces. Just with the power of estimation. Like I said, you baker gurus could never. Alright, it's time to try the cake. I don't really know how to get myself a piece, so I guess I'm just going to take the knife and, I don't know, scoop it out like this. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow, it's really hot. But look at that. This, oh. Okay. Okay, I see how it is. Look at that. Fresh, perfect cake. Wow, I didn't know I was this talented until now, and I'm really proud of myself. I think I bake better at home alone than, you know, with my parents, so this is great. Now let's try it. Let's try to see how good it is, because I know it's good. I mean, just look at it. Just take a minute and give me a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, time to eat it? ASMR. It's so good, I can't even talk about it right now. Give me a minute, just give me a minute to enjoy it and I'll be right back with my thoughts. So I'm eating more, you know, because it's just that good, you know. I feel bad for you guys because you guys can't taste it. Just know that if I could make you taste it, I would. So, you know. Just look at that. You know, I'll feed you some in the camera. Really good, right? So let's eat some more. We're not doing ASMR this time. I can't believe I did ASMR. Like, who am I? Who does ASMR? Look at that. Perfect spongy texture. That just looks great. And the best part, sugar-free, diabetes-free, cholesterol-free, apparently, from what it said on my oil gallon. Drama-free, mess-free, what else? Let's think. Drama-free, mess-free, oh, tea-free, shade-free. Just goodness, you know? I'll think of more. I'll think of more by the end of this video. Maybe, maybe not. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. You guys are probably like, finally, I know, I'm sorry. I also want to take a moment to be very
honest and apologize to all the bakers out there. I'm sorry I came for all your jobs, and I'm sorry that I, did great on it. And, it is what it is. But yeah, that's it. The cake's amazing. I wish you could have it. But if you followed this tutorial, don't do it. But if, supposedly you did, you would still get great cake like this. In Pillsbury, we still need to talk. I'm not letting that go. Okay guys, on a real note, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of was a bit more myself today in this video. I had a really fun time baking with you guys. Just to let you guys know, the whole video, the sarcasm, it was a bit more sarcastic. It was a bit more escalated. It was purely for entertainment. I swear I'm not that crazy in real life. I'm pretty sure the bakers still have their jobs and their wigs. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry you had to go through that for this long. I know it was terrible. Like I said, I'm not that crazy in real life. I mean, no, that's a lie. I am. But, it was a little more sarcastic, a bit more escalated. But anyways, this video is long enough as it is. At least, you've seen enough, and I don't want to torture you anymore. So, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Oh, also, before you go, if you guys want to see more of these terrible bake with me's, just let me know. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and let me know, and I'll be sure to put you through more torture. There are some nice people out there who are going to sympathize with me and pity me and just, be nice. I think. I hope. So for those people, please let me know if you want more Bake With Me's in the future. Okay, that sounded like an ad.